Schuler. So last time we have learned this Sampark till page number 21. Now we are going to start learning the Sampark from page 22. So that is your worksheet number 12, adjectiva, adjectives. Okay. Now let's read the first question. List the adjectiva. Read the adjectives. Klein means small. Gross means tall. Dick is fat. Dune is thin. Leicht, that is light-weighted. Schwer means heavy. Warm is warm. Kalt, cold. Traurig, sad. Glücklich, happy. Öffnen, open. Schließen, to close. Now, related to these adjectives, they have given the exercise here. Suche die Adjektive. Search the adjectives. Okay. So all these adjectives photos they have given here. These are the same adjectives which they have mentioned just now. So you have to just find out all those adjectives here. Okay. So one I will find out for you. Let's see here. Warm. Okay, that is a warm. So see, you can find out all other adjectives, and once you find those, you can just cross the picture. So you will come to know that you have found those adjectives. Okay, so do this exercise. Then Übung 3, verbinde die Adjektive. Again they have given here some pictures and you have to match it with the articles. For example, see this one. Öffnen is to open, so that I will match with this open door. Schließen is to close, so that I will match with this closed door. Then glücklich means happy. Dick, fat. Klein, small. Schwer means heavy. Dune, thin. Leicht, light-weighted. Gross, big or tall. Traurig, sad. Okay, so different pictures they have given. You have to match those with the picture. So this you can do after watching this video. Now we will move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 13. Again some more adjective they have given here. Let's see this. Frage 1, lies the adjective. Read the adjectives. Rechte, hand, right hand. Linke, that is left. Schmutzig, dirty. Sauber, clean. Kurz, short. Lang, long. Einfach, easy. Schwer, difficult. Neu, new. Alt, old. Gut is good. And schlecht is bad. Cutting the tree is bad. Okay. Now these adjectives again you are supposed to find out here. Okay, now here they have given one puzzle. So first one you can see this snake which is short. Okay, and the first one is here. So that spelling you have to write how this snake is kurz. Okay, so that you have to write here. Second one is lang. Okay, so that spelling lang you are supposed to write down here. So with these students you can solve the other exercises. I will just tell you the meaning. This is your links. This is recht. How is this t-shirt? Sauber. This third one is schmutzig, dirty. Eighth one is einfach, easy. Fourth one is schwer, means difficult. This ninth one is new, neu. And fifth one is alt, means old. Okay, so all these adjectives with the correct number you are supposed to write down in this grid. So this one you can do. Now same with the same adjectives they have given here. Verbinde the adjective, that is connect the adjectives. Okay, now see. Einfach, easy. Schmutzig, dirty. Gut, good. Sauber, clean. Alt means old. So this is the picture of angel and this is the picture of devil. So angel is good, so you can match this with the good. Okay. Now, neu, new, schlecht, bad, kurz, short, schwer, heavy, lang, long. Now see this. This pot is new, so you can match this with this pot. Okay. Now this was the adjectives. Some more adjectives we have learned in this page 25. So these two exercises you are supposed to solve. Now let's see what is there in exercise number 14. Frage 1. Was sagen die Tiere? What these animals are saying? So student, Tiere means animals. Schreib die Namen in das Rätsel. So here they have given the puzzle and you are supposed to write down their names. If you will see here, they have given the name of the animals. Zebra is zebra. Pferd means horse. Bear is bear. Katze means cat and tiger means tiger. Now the fourth one I will solve. Ich bin eine Katze. So the cat spelling you have to write down here. Katze. Okay, that is the number 4. Now if you will see, this number 4 is here. So this same number spelling you have to write down here. Katze. Like this. Okay, so this is a very easy exercise, students. I have already told you the meaning of the animals. You have to just fill in the blanks and the puzzle. Okay, so after doing this, let's move to the next question. Frage 2. Beantworte die folgenden Fragen und zeichne an geeigneter Stelle einen Hund oder eine Katze. 2 photos they have given. So here you have to draw one cat. Okay. Here a photo of a cat you have to draw, and this is a dog house. So you have to draw a dog here. And the questions they are asking, wie heißt deine Katze? What is the name of your cat? So whatever will be the name of your cat, you have to write down here. Then the next question they are asking, wie heißt dein Hund? What is the name of your dog? So your dog name you are supposed to write down here. Okay. So after doing this question, one more puzzle they have given here. Let's see what they are telling. Frage 3. Helfen Sie den Tieren, den Weg zu ihren Spielsachen zu finden. Help this animal to find out the way to their things. So this mouse belongs to the cat. So you have to find out the way, and this bone belongs to this dog. So this way you have to find out. Okay. So it's a very nice puzzle for you to solve, students. Yes. Now after learning this, let's learn some more animals from your worksheet number 15. Tiere. Tiere means animals. So in Frage 1, they are saying, beobachte und schreibe die Namen von langsamen und schneller Tiere in den gegebenen Tabelle. So some animals they have given. So which animals are schnell means fast, and which animals are langsam means slow, that you are supposed to write down in this table. For example, first one is Schlange, snake, antelope, Raupe, then Hase, tiger and snake. Okay, so for example, one I will solve for you. So tiger is a schnell, fast animal. Okay, so that you have to write down here, tiger. And snake is the langsam, that is slow. So snake you have to write down here. Okay, so students, same, you have to divide the fast that is schnell and langsam animals, and then you have to write down in this table. So I hope this part is clear to you, students. Now let's see the next question on next page. Frage 2. Zeichne und Färbe zwei deiner Lieblingstiere. Schreibe auch ihre Namen. So you have to draw here any two animals. Okay, and then you have to write their names, means what we call them in German. For example, if you have drawn here any Hase, rabbit, then you have to write down below that Hase. Okay, so this is a very nice drawing exercise. You can color it also. So once you have finished this, let's solve the worksheet number 16. So Adjektive, Tiere und Farben. So adjectives, colors, Farben is colors, and Tiere means animals. So you are supposed to find out the adjectives here. So this was our first adjectives. So see, this is lang. And all these adjectives are given on the page number. So Arbeitsblatt 13, page number 24, all these adjectives they have given, and based on this again a revision exercise they have given here, students. Yes, so all those same adjectives on page 24 you have to find out here. Now some animals they have given here. So for this, students, you can use the app called as Leo, which we have already learned how to use, and you can find out the name of these animals which you have to find out here. Okay, so one I will find out for here. Leopard, that is leopard. Okay, once you found the leopard, just cross that animal, and the rest you have to find out here. So one I have found for you. Same, the other all animals are hidden here. This is fox, this is bear, hi, delphine, hi, okay, panda, penguin. So all these animals names you are supposed to find out here. Now let's learn the next one, Geburtstag. Worksheet number 70, Geburtstag, birthday. Dies ist ein Kalender. This is a calendar. Maike hat am 2. August Geburtstag. Mike has birthday on 2nd of August. So, umkreuze dein Geburtstag. So, you have to cross your birthday. Suppose my birthday is on 15th Feb. So, I am just going to cross it. Okay, nothing else. So, this Monate we have already learned. Now this questions you have to solve here. So first question is second question is welcher Monat ist es? Now currently which month is going on, that spelling you are supposed to write down here. Okay. Now third question, in welchem Monat hast du Geburtstag? In which month you have a birthday? So mein Geburtstag is am. So I will write my birth date here. Am 15. Februar. You have to write down your birth date here. Okay. Next. Frage 4. Wann hat dein Freund oder deine Freundin Geburtstag? So when has your male friend or a female friend birthday? So that birth date you have to just write down here. Okay. For example, am 8. Mai. If your friend's birthday is on 8 May, just write down this much. And that is only for one you have to write. Next. Wann haben deine Eltern Geburtstag? Eltern means parents. So you can write down this like this. Your mama. When your mama has birthday, for example, 1. Mai. And when your Vati or Vater had Geburtstag. So that suppose 2. Mai. So their birth date just you can write down. Okay. So that was the Frage 5, students. Now let's see what they are telling us to do in Frage 6. Wie alt bist du? How old are you? zeichne und färbe eine Geburtstag-Torte mit einer Kerze für jedes Jahr. So, what you have to do here, first of all, answer this question. Ich bin 8 Jahre alt und du? I am 8 years old and you? So, what is our question that you have to write down here? Wie alt bist du? Okay, suppose you are 8 years old. So what they are telling you to draw here, Geburtstag Torte means a birthday cake you have to draw, and you are 8 years old, so draw 8 Kerze. Kerze means candles you have to draw, and then you can color this picture also. So this is a very nice activity, students. Now let's see what they are telling you to do in Frage 7. Was wünschst du dir? What do you wish for you? Und was wünscht sich dein Freund? And what does your friend wish for birthday? Und deine Freundin and your female friend zeichne die Geschenke. So you have to draw some gifts. So which gift you want for your birthday or your friend want for a birthday? Okay. So that you have to draw. For example, if you want a car for your birthday, draw one car here. Okay, and what we call to that car in German, Auto. So that name you have to write down below that. Okay, so this is also a drawing and coloring exercise for you, which is very easy, students. So today we are going to learn only till page 32. So we will meet in our next video to complete our rest of the Sampark. Till then, choose.